It's a common knowledge that you need to replace your cabin filter at least once a year. In ID.4, it's a relatively easy procedure and you don't need to go to the dealer. So this is how it's done. First, you need to pull out and lift it away, this felt. Then you need to release the spring, pushing it this way on the filter cover and just pull it away. So your car comes with one filter, but your vehicle has space for two. You have a space for the small particles filter and optional carbon filter that filters out all the bad smells. So we have two right here, carbon filter and the small particles filter. So we're gonna install the carbon filter on the bottom, this side up. Goes in there like you have to bend it a little bit, but don't worry about anything. So you just push it slowly, which is gonna get there. And then you just install the small particles filter on top of it. Now you just need to reinstall the cover. Just like so. And put the felt on top. Now you're ready.